how to add a search bar in Google Sites. So first is to open your site since we will be using the URL of that site later on. So to do that, just click this drop-down arrow button beside Publish and then select View Published Site, which will direct you to your site. And then go back to this page. Now click Embed, which is under Insert, and then select Embed Code. So for this, what you have to do is visit this site, and then once you visit this, you will see this code. Just copy this code and then paste it here. Now replace this website to your site URL, copy this URL, and paste it here. Once done, click Next, and then click Insert. So now you can resize this and drag and drop it to your preferred location. Once done, click Publish, and then click Publish again. So to view the changes, just click this drop-down arrow button and select View Published Site. Now you will see this search bar feature in your website. And so that is how you add a search bar in Google Sites. Thank you and have a great day.